I'm not sure. Let's increase our stuff. I've been actually, like, jumping around so much that I have not increased, like, um,
Well, hello then. A pleasure.
any magic abilities at all. Stop putting words into my mouth, SB. I never said that. Okay, so, wait a minute. Who am I turning this quest into? Actually, I don't even remember. Ah. Edwina Elbert. Is she in here? I want to say she is. Outlander. Why do I not level speed? What the fuck? You fucks again? Ow! What? Why is that so loud? What the fuck? Ow! Jesus Christ! What the fuck? What? Jesus fuck! Like, are you joking me with this shit? Fuck off! Sorry about that, guys. Oh, that hurt you guys too. Fucking piece of fucking shit. This is absurd right now. This is absolutely fucking absurd. Alright. Jam everything down low and let's see if that loud clank happens again. Yeah, it is so loud I can hear it when my headphones are on my knees. That is fucking unacceptable right now.